Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous apprendre le verbe aller. Aller, it is an ER ending verb and it is highly irregular. Just see the conjugation. It is je vais. Je vais. Then tu vas. Il va. Elle va. On va. Nous allons, vous allez. Nous allons et vous allez. It is the same the way we conjugate in the regular form. Then it is il vont, elles vont. Now see one thing that except for nous and vous, the other ones they begin with V. It is je vais, tu vas, il, elle, on va, il, elles vont. So remember it begins with V. Je vais. Je vais. Je vais means I go or I am going. Then tu vas. Tu vas means you go or you are going. It is used for informal communication. Then it is il va. That means he goes or he is going. Then elle va means she goes or she is going. Then on va. On va, it is we go or we are going in informal way. Then nous allons. Nous allons. Remember to do the listening. Nous allons. We go or we are going in the formal manner. Then vous allez. Vous allez means you go or you are going. It is there in the formal manner or when we are addressing more than one person. In the plural form also we use vous. So vous allez. Then ils vont. Ils vont means they go. When there is a group of boys or it is a mixed group of boys or girls both, they go or they are going, it is ils vont. And when it is a group of only girls, then it is elles vont. Elles vont. And now I'm going to tell you how to use the verb aller in sentences. You say that I am going to so and so place. I'm going to school, I'm going to park, I'm going to market, I'm going to Delhi, I'm going to London, whatever. You can't use to go without to. So, to make sentences, you need to learn how to use aller with a. Now see how to use aller with a. A means to. With the names of the cities, we use only a. With the masculine places, we use a plus l. And we can't write it ala. Ala. We have to use o instead of this thing. For feminine things, it is a plus la. Ala. For the places that begin with vowel, we have a plus apostrophe l. It is ala. And for the plural ones, we use o. Again, over here, we can't use a, le. When we are going to visit many museums or many shops, then we can't use a, le. We have to use o. Now see the sentences. Now see, it is ale, ale, which means go, goes or going. And a is to. A can be a or it can be o with masculine things. It can be ala with feminine things. It can be o with plural, and with vowels it is a, la. See the sentences now. Je vais à Paris. Je vais à Paris. Here there is no article, so it is only à Paris. Then tu vas au café. You are going to the cafe. Tu vas. Then au café. We can't write à le café. À le café. It will be wrong. So you have to use au café. Il and il, elle, on va au parc. It is also the same way. Au parc. Parc is masculine, so we have used au parc. We can't write à le parc. Nous allons à la montagne. We are going to the mountains. Here, mountains is feminine, so we have to use à la. Nous allons à la montagne. Vos allez à la étrangère. À la étrangère. Vous allez à la étrangère. Here it is vowel. So, le apostrophe. À la étrangère. Ils, elles vont aux bibliothèques. It is plural, bibliothèque, libraries. So, we have used au. We can't use les bibliothèques. It is ils, elles vont aux bibliothèques. So, I hope now you can make very good sentences using the verb aller along with partitive article a. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can ask from me by writing it in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Au revoir. À bientôt.